one digit number. Three digit number by one digit number we have done in the last class. So today we are going to continue with the same. So for this you need to open page number 94. Let's revise the topic of multiplication. Open page number 94. Today is 3rd May. Page 94. नाइन्टी पे क्या है? लेटेस्ट रिवाइज का टॉपिक है, तो सिंपल है, मैं आपको समझाऊंगी कि करना कैसे है. फर्स्ट वन इज हमारे पास हेडिंग है फिल इन द बॉक्सेस. नोटबुक पे करोगे आप या बुक पे कर लो बच्चे, बुक सबके पास है, सो यू विल डू इट ऑन योर बुक. फिल इन द बॉक्सेस या फिल इन द ब्लैंक सिंपल वे में. So how you have done this? आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया है इसको. Like A part is 2 multiply 50. ऐसे है ना. So what you have done is you have multiplied these two numbers. So we have another way also. So we can do it in a short form. How? Here is 2 and here is 5. What you have to do is जो आगे वाले numbers है ना, जो 1 से big numbers है, आप उसको multiply कर दो. 2 multiply 5 is 10. पहले आप 10 लिख दो और 10 के पीछे just add 1 0. Add means पीछे आप एक 0 लगा दो. ऑलरेडी सिंपल है. 2 को 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2 multiply 5. So you will get 10, right? And जो extra 0 we have is, so we will write after the 10. So answer will be 100. Means for this we don't need to do multiplication separately. ऐसे हम नहीं करेंगे. Easy way में we will do it in our mind that 2 multiply 5 is 10 and after 10 we will put 1 0. Okay? This is a simple way. B part is 1 multiply 30. Very easy. In this, what you will do? You will multiply 1 by 3. So you will get 3 and here 0. And after that, you will put 1 0. 1 multiply 3 is 3. And last में आप एक क्या add कर दोगे? Just लिख दोगे 0. C part is 5 multiply 30. So in this, for easy way, how you will do it? You will multiply 5 by 3, you will get 15 and last में जो हमारे पास एक extra 0 है, we will write here. The extra 0 will be written afterward. Clear? 5 multiply 3 is 15 and 0 we will write behind. Clear? Next is D part. D is 4 multiply 90. For this, which two numbers you are going to multiply? Bhuvi, bache, what you are writing? A, B, C, D like? There is no need for this. Don't write. And in this, what you are going to do? 4 multiply 9. In the easy way, you are doing this multiplication. For this, हमें कोई separate multiplication की need नहीं है, है ना? So 4 multiply 9. 4 9s are 36 and 1 0 हम last में लिख देंगे. Clear हुआ? Now show me your books that you are doing. If there is any problem, bache, please let me know by writing in the chat box. If you have any problem and if you have not understood the concept, so please let me know. Okay, good. Next, moving to next is E part. E part is 2 multiply 500. So in this, what we are going to do? We are just going to multiply 2 by 5. 2 5s are, you know, what is 2 5s are? 10. 10 हो गया and ये 2 zeros हम last में just ऐसे write कर देंगे. ठीक है. So this is a shortcut way कि how we can do multiplication of two numbers in a shortcut way. Simple. 2 multiply 500. So we are going to multiply 2 by 5. So this is 10. And these 2 0 will be written after that. Clear? Next is, after E, we have F. 3 multiply 90. So you will write its answer, bache. 30 multiply 9. 30 multiply 9, and for this we are going to multiply 9 by 3. 9 3s are 27, and we still are left with 1 0. So last में we have added 1 0. Yes, Tanisha, good. 270. 9 3s का सिर्फ हमने किया 27, बस उसके पीछे हमने लिख दी 0. Next is G. 1 multiply 300, very easy. 1 multiply 3 is 3, and after that we will add 2 zeros. 2 zeros, so what we will get? 300. Next is 0 multiply 75. बस ये याद रखना आपने, when we multiply any number with 0, we will always get 0. जब आप टेबल करते हो बच्चे, आप ऐसे बोलते हो ना, 2 zeros are 0 या 3 0 का 0, ऐसे होता है ना. Means when we multiply any number with 0, we will always get 0. Yes, very good idea with Naval. 0. And last we have is 4 multiply 300. For this, 4 multiply 3 is 12, and after that we will write 2 zeros. Yes, just note. Very good. So these were the sums which were related to mental maths also, that how we can do multiplication in a less number of time. कि हम शॉर्टकट में मल्टीप्लिकेशन को कैसे कर सकते हैं without doing the big multiplication, without doing more efforts. So we can complete it. Clear? Done? A to I part is done. ID with Gitika Bagga bachche, you are lying down on the bed. You are not doing. ID with Gitika Agarwal, जो भी लिखा है लास्ट में. Are you listening me? आराम से आपने हेड पे ऐसे हैंड रखा हुआ एंड यू आर लाइंग डाउन. डोंट ऑफ योर वीडियो नाउ. गेट अप बच्चे. What happened? Are you tired? You are not in the mood of studying. So why you are lying down and you are not doing your work? Why? Show me your book. Now you are going to take your book. Very good. Tell me your name, bache. ID with Gitika Agarwal. Write your name in the chat box. Now you are changing your room to open the book, है ना? So these kinds of students really disappoint us, that obviously others are doing work और आप आराम से बैठे हो, lying down, सिर्फ सुन रहे हो, है ना? जैसे मूवी चल रही है कोई. So next we have is page number 95. Open page number 95. So I am going to erase this. He is Danish Agrawal. Danish, okay. So page 95. Again, same है हमारे पास. Choose the correct answer. So the options are given in the bracket. 5 is choose the correct answer. A part is 54 multiplied by 10 is equals to dash. So in the bracket there is 5400 or 540. So what will be the right answer, bache? 540. Yes, very good. Simple. Like 54 ones are 54 and after that there is just 1 0. So हम यहाँ पे fill करेंगे 540. Or we can also tick here or we can also put our answer in the blank. B part is 87 multiplied by 100 is equals to dash 870 और 8700. मैंने आपको इजी वे बताया कि जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स बिगर देन 1. 87 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. जीरोस को छोड़ के जो नंबर है ना उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. लीव जीरोस, multiply the numbers other than 0. So 87 multiply 1 is 87 and in the last what you need to do is 2 zeros आपके पास है ना extra, वो 2 0 हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. Yes गुरशीन, जस्ट करमन, वेरी गुड. विमनदीप रॉन्ग बच्चे, 2 zeros आनी है. C यहाँ पे भी 2 zeros हैं, है ना. So in the answer हम 2 zeros ही लिखेंगे. अभी जैसे हमने इजी वे में किया, द वे इज सेम. नेक्स्ट इज सी पार्ट. Dash multiply 79. So this is the sums related to mental maths. 7900. Options are in front of you. You can also see. So you can also see in your book, बच्चे. So what will be the answer? Very good. Tanav, Divyam, Gursirat, Gursheen, Arav, Naval, Viman. Very good. Already आपने आंसर लिख दिया है. Means you are good in mental maths. So there are 2 zeros and they are saying, so what we need to multiply with? हमने 79 को किसके साथ multiply करना है to make it 7900? Yes, so we will multiply by 100. Why? Because 79 multiply 1 is 79. So after that we will put 2 zeros. Clear? D is 10 multiply dash is equals to 3000 and the options are 30 or 300. Okay, some are writing 30, some are 300. Preeti has written 30, others are writing 300. Firstly, check how many zeros are there. There are 3 zeros and already we have 1 0. 3 zeros, already we have 1 0, we just need 2 zeros. So for 2 zeros, we will going to mark 300. Because 300 multiply 10 is 3000. 300 multiply 10 is 3000. Clear? Samar, just write your answer one time, bachche. Next E is 81 multiply 5 multiply 0 is dash and in the bracket options are 0 or 8150. So let's see who will give the right answer. Seerath, Moksh, Divyam already written the answer. Good. Naval, Biman, Gurveer, Ritesh, Yash, Gurseera, Sanchita, everyone, Akshita, सबका राइट आंसर है. वेरी गुड. क्योंकि मैंने अभी आपको बोला दैट व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विद 0 वी विल गेट 0 एंड 85 को अगर हम 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें जितना भी हमारे पास आएगा वो अल्टीमेटली 0 हो जाना है क्योंकि उस नंबर को हमने 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करनी है. सो वी विल गेट 0. दैट व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विद 0 वी विल ऑलवेज गेट 0. लास्ट, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड. You write your answer in the chat box. Okay. Divyam, Gursheen, Gurseerat has written the answer. Very good. कि 310 आना है और 3100. Very good. Why? See, because in the statement there are 2 zeros and you need 2 zeros in your answer, right? जितनी zeros वहां पे है उतनी zeros हमें चाहिए. So 3100 is the right answer. I hope your sum is done. Complete हो गया. 5 के complete F part is done or not? Done. Okay. So I am watching you, bache. So let me see your books. Show me your books in front of the camera. I want to see, have you done or not? Everyone on your videos and keep your books in front of the camera. ID with Abhijot, Navjeet, Samar, bache, your videos are off. Okay, very good. Good, Sharan, your video is off. I'm not taking it and everyone's name. Please check mine. But yeah, I'm checking each and everyone. So I can see those who are not showing me, I will take only their name. Like Sahaj Preet is not showing. ID with Prisha Bali's camera is off. So I will take only those names. So I hope this is done. And this was our mental math sums. Like, okay? So previously we have done multiplication and today we are covered with our mental maths. Now we are going to start some basics of division. Means we are moving to our next chapter and the name of the chapter is division, right? Already you know some basic concepts of division. So, लेकिन today we are going to start from some basics. Last class में जो हमने किया है और इसके लिए you need to write on your notebook. Firstly, put heading on your notebook. Pranavjot बच्चे, sit properly. This is not your yoga time, है ना? Ananya, why are you dancing? So next we are going to start is next chapter, division. Today we are not going to do any kind of exercise sum. We will just understand its basic concepts. Chapter division. Put your heading in your notebook also. Division. So statement I am writing divide. सिंपल से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं 25 by 5. Simple. Divide 25 by 5. You don't need to do it in your notebook. Simple, लेकिन we are going to understand this. So हम कैसे करते हैं? So this is a division sign. Okay. So in division sign we are going to write 25. Why? Because 25 को हमने divide करना है with 5. We are going to divide 25 by 5. And now, anyone knows? So, what is 25? 25 को हम क्या बोलते हैं in division? What we call 25 in division? If anyone knows, पेज नंबर है नहीं बच्चे, सोनिया हो रही आईडी with. अभी मैंने ऐसे ही सिर्फ बेसिक स्टार्ट किए हैं. Moksdeep has written dividend. Gurseerat dividend. Spelling is not right, but the term is right. Very good, Moksdeep. Gurseerat, turn up. Yes, so 25 is dividend. Dividend means the number which is being divided. वो number जिसको हम divide करने वाले हैं. And the 5 is divisor. 5 वो है जिसने 25 को डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है, ओके. एंड मोस्टली डिविडेंड को हम डिनोट करते हैं कैपिटल डी से और डिवाइजर को हम डिनोट करते हैं स्मॉल डी से, क्योंकि वो भी डी से स्टार्ट होता है, ये भी डी से स्टार्ट होता है, तो हम कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि ये कौन से वाला डी है. So we will put capital D for dividend and small d for divisor. अब इस बच्चे डिवीजन को कंप्लीट कर लो पहले तो, एंड लेट मी नो यहाँ पे क्या आना है, आप मुझे बताओगे. सो व्हाट विल बी कम हियर? Five. Yes, very good. So we will write here 5 because 5 5s are 25. So here we will put minus sign, and 25 minus 5 is 0. And what is 5? What we call 5? Yes, very good. We will call it quotient, and we will denote it with capital Q. And what is this? Here 0 is remainder. Very good. 0 is remainder. Remainder को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि जो बच गया, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ नहीं बचा. So here not remainder बच्चे, just कर्मन remainder. So here 0 is remainder. So this is capital D, dividend, the number which is being divided. Clear? 5 is divisor, the number which will divide, जिसने divide करना है. And here Q is quotient. And tell me बच्चे, what will be the answer? Quotient is answer or remainder is answer? What will be its answer? Quotient is considered as answer or remainder? Pratiksha, Gursheen, Naval. Yes, very good. The number which we get in the quotients column, that will be its answer. जो quotient की column में होता है वही answer होता है. And 0 is remainder. Clear हुआ? So we have capital D for dividend, small d for divisor, Q for quotient, and R for remainder. Done? Have you understood? आपने पहले भी किया हुआ है, but today we have recalled this because when tomorrow we are going to start the class, we will quickly start from the sums, and today we are revising this, and we have finished the chapter multiplication but revising this chapter basics. Wait, so I am going to remove this. Now I am going to write 2 sums on the board and you will do it in your notebooks. Okay? So first is divide. A part is, first you will divide 67 by 5. 67 by 5. Only divide. Tomorrow we will start with the new topic. और अभी मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगी डिवाइड में और कौन सा न्यू टॉपिक है हमारे पास. स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन डिवाइड दिस. So, 67 divides by 5. आपने जस्ट मुझे बता देना है कि what will be its quotient and what will be its remainder. Here 67 is capital D, 5 is small d. ठीक है? 67 by 5. So we will recall the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 big हो गया 6 से. So 5 ones are 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So 7 हमारा नीचे आएगा हमारे पास. So 7 will be carried forward. 7 here. Okay? So we have bring down the 7. Now recall table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 20 is bigger than 17, so 5 threes are 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. This is quotient, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is remainder. Yes, very good. आंसर 13. आंसर नहीं बच्चे, जब ना रिमाइंडर बच जाता है ना तो वो आंसर नहीं होता. आंसर ओनली क्वेश्चन का हमारे पास तब होता है when there is no remainder, zero remainder. अभी ये इनकम्प्लीट सम है, अब इसको हम कंप्लीट कैसे करेंगे, चेकिंग कैसे करेंगे इसकी, वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, लेकिन इसको अभी हम ऐसे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. सो हियर Q quotient we have is 13. Yes, Tanisha. Remainder we have is 2. Divisor is 5. And capital D, dividend is 67. Simple. In this, we will not write answer. We will just write like this. Q is equals to 13. R is equals to 2. So this will be the answer. ऐसे लिखेंगे क्योंकि finish नहीं हुआ ना, zero नहीं आया ना end में. That's why. Done. So B part is 78 divides by 8. In this, you will also write in the chat box which one is quotient and which one is remainder. Complete it in your notebooks. So I have pasted a link. Open that link and mark your attendance, बच्चे. And quickly, you need to speed up. जल्दी से आपने attendance form को fill करना है and get back to your position and we will complete this. We will discuss it. मोस्टली जिन्होंने रॉन्ग किया है उन्होंने 1 लिखा होगा यहाँ पे, लेकिन ये 7 है. सो वी नीड टू रिकॉल द टेबल ऑफ 8. हम देखेंगे कि कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जो 78 से स्मॉल हो. ठीक है, तो 8 sevens are 72. Simple. 8 sevens are 56. Wait. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 8s are 80. 80 से ये small है ना, लेकिन 72 से ये big है. So we will write here 9 and here it will come 72 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is quotient, this is remainder. Simple. Firstly, I am waiting for 1 minute. I know you are marking your attendance. 1 minute के लिए wait कर रही हूँ. Quickly mark and come back. Done. Done. Okay. So see, I have done here. For this, you need to recall the table of 8. Like 8 sevens are 56, 8 8s are 64. 64 अभी इससे बहुत small है. फिर 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. लेकिन 80 is bigger than 78. So what we are going to do here is 8 9s are 72 and 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. So 9 is quotient, 6 is remainder. So this is the right answer. Okay. Yes, Tanisha, बच्चे, ask what you want to ask. So these were the two sums which we have done, and please remember what is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So we will use these 4 terms in the whole chapter, right? Only these were the 4 terms.